Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back with another video, man. It was very windy out there, guys, so I couldn't really make a voice video live, so I had to do a little voiceover video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. I'm about to start making these videos more often as I travel through these cities. You know, if you're ever in Russellsville, Arkansas, holler at or Auto Mall. This is the pre-owned section right here. This is a 2018 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. So it's a 6.2 V8 engine, 707 horsepower. It's fully loaded, man, with the single exhaust and with the black pinstripes going down the middle. You see it right there, SRT rig, Hellcat or whatever. So quick little video for you guys. I know a lot of guys make, you know, videos, but it be long and drawn out. I'm gonna get straight to it. It's a supercharged Hemi. You can see it right here with the emblem on it. 707 horsepower, like I said. It's a very beautiful car, guys. I'm more so of a Chevrolet guy, but you know, this channel is for all cars. Everybody welcome. But I'm gonna try to do mostly Hemis as much as possible, because you know we're gonna try to, you know, step it up a notch more so. I'm a sports guy, so I'm gonna try to keep it in the sports car, you know, area if I can. But this one has the sunroof. You see it, beautiful, single exhaust. It sounds mean, as you heard in the beginning. More so, this one come with the black wheels, 20 inches to be exact. Black inside of the door, leather. It has the I'm not sure. I want to say it has the heads-up display. As you can see, it has the SRT emblem in the middle. Black leather seats with the SRT emblem in the middle, man. Heated seats. I want to say I got the AC seats as well. I never been in an AC seat car before, but they're starting to make a lot of those like that. I'm intrigued to find out, you know, how that feels, because I never been in a car that has AC. Anyway, it has push to start. The red seat belts. Every time I think of red seat belts, I think of my boy Tall Guy Review, man. You know, he loved the red seat belts on the Moop, as he would say. You know, has the manual seat adjustment, and you see the back seat has the heated seats as well, which is new to me, because I don't never really hear about back seats being, you know, it has the heated seats. But I think that was cool. I think that's dope. There was the controls for it, right there in the middle, and yeah, man, this car right here is mean, man. It got the sunroof right here. Bam. Shoot, most of all, here's the, you know, the last part is the trunk. Let's head over to the trunk, man. It got the push button and it goes up automatically. I thought that was dope. A lot of room in the trunk, man. But shoot, this kind of sums up the video. Something short and sweet for you guys, just to start it off, man. I'm gonna get more in depth the more videos I make with these cars and trucks or whatever. Holla at your boy, man. This your boy Wiz, and I'm outie.